Hello, and thank you for your interest in our complete and best-in-class barcode inventory system, delivered as a cloud-based or on-premise solution and trusted by thousands of mid-sized and enterprise-level organizations worldwide. In this video, we'll discuss our newest enhancements to the inventory forecast feature. This feature allows users to generate configurable reports for future inventory fluctuation based on historical receiving or consumption data. In addition, this enhancement includes multi-level security access. This security configuration will allow the system admin to set access rights to an individual user when logging in to the inventory forecast feature. System administrators can now choose one of the following access levels. First, view only. Users can only view the forecast report. Second, to add or generate new reports. Third, to be able to edit an existing forecasted report. And fourth, the option to delete forecasted reports. We at ASAP Systems pride ourselves in our constant innovation, and we strive to enhance and upgrade this inventory system with the latest technologies and techniques to keep it easy to use and more efficient to save you time and money, and finally to accommodate clients' needs and demands. Stay tuned to our latest enhancements by having a more in-depth demonstration.